హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇవాళ మనం న్యూస్ చదువుకున్నాము.
Hello, Namaskar. This is First Post and you're watching Vantage with me, Palki Sharma.
హలో నమస్కార్, దిస్ ఇస్ ఫస్ట్ పోస్ట్. యు ఆర్ వాచింగ్ వాంటేజ్ విత్ మీ యుక్త గుర్రం.
India has struck Pakistan.
ఇండియా హ్యాస్ స్ట్రక్ పాకిస్తాన్.
2 weeks after the Pahalgam terrorist attack, India has done what it promised
2 weeks after the Pahalgam attack, India has done what it promised
to do.
To
Punish
do.
the perpetrators and their
punish the perpetrators and their
masters.
masters.
Early this morning, Indian forces launched what they called
Early this morning, India forces launched what they called
Operation Sindoor.
Operation Sindoor.
They targeted 9 sites in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied
And they targeted 9 sites in Pakistan and Pakistan occupied
We will
Kashmir. We
tell you where and how this
will tell you where and how
operation unfolded.
this operation unfolded.
The big question now is what happens next?
The big question now is what happens next.
Will this lead to a full-blown war between India and Pakistan?
Will it blow a full-blown war between India and Pakistan?
Will Pakistan retaliate and escalate this?
Will Pakistan retaliate and accelerate this?
We will decode their statements and their moves.
We will decode their statements and their moves.
Meanwhile, the Pakistani forces are doing what they do best.
Meanwhile, the Pakistani forces are doing what they are doing best.
They're targeting Indian civilians. The
They are targeting Indian civilians.
images coming from Poonch near Jammu are disturbing.
The images coming from Poonch near Jammu are
Civilians,
disturbing. Civilians,
including women and children, being
including women and children, have been killed
killed in Pakistani shelling.
in Pakistani shelling.
We will also tell you about the biggest strike by India
We will also tell you about the biggest strike by India
in Bahawalpur in
Bahawalpur in Pakistan,
Pakistan's Punjab province, where
in Pakistan's Punjab province,
the family of United
where the family of United
Nations designated terrorist Masood
United Nations designate the terrorist Masood
Azhar was killed.
Azhar was killed.
Also looking at the narrative war that Pakistan
Also looking at the narrative war Pakistan
has launched with its preferred weapon, fake news. An introduction to the men leading Pakistan's chaotic response.
An introduction to the man leading Pakistan chaotic response.
The world is reacting to India.
How the world is reacting to India's
Action.
Action.
What does this escalation mean for you?
What does this escalation mean for you?
And how India's doctrine of strategic risk
And how India doctrine of strategic
trained with a
strain with a
measured, focused, non-escalatory response
measured, focused, non-escalatory response
can be a lesson for the rest of the world. All this and more.
can be a lesson for the rest of the world. This all and
Coming up, the headlines first.
This all and more coming up. The headlines first.
Houthis say they will continue to target Israeli ships
Houthis say that will continue to target Israel ships
in the Red Sea and the Gulf of Aden.
in the Red Sea and Gulf of Aden.
Despite a ceasefire deal with the
This despite a ceasefire deal with the
US, Washington,
US, Washington,
and the Iran-backed group
Washington and Iran-backed group.
have agreed to not target each other in the Red Sea. The Houthis
They agreed to not target each other in the Red Sea.
have been attacking Israel-linked ships.
The Houthis have been targeting Israel-linked ships
Since the Gaza war began in
since the Gaza war began in
2023.
2023.
Ukrainian drone attacks close airports and disrupt
Ukraine and drone attacks close airports and
hundreds of flights across Russia.
desport hundreds of flights across Russia.
This comes just days ahead of
This comes just days ahead of
Moscow's Victory Day parade. The
Moscow's Victory Day parade.
Kremlin restricts
The Kremlin restricts
mobile internet
restricts mobile internet
access in the capital. Says
access in the capital. Says
it is taking all necessary
it is taking all necessary
measures to ensure that the parade is safe.
is safe.
A drone strike targets the Sudan's biggest
The drone strike targets the Sudan's
naval base in Port Sudan.
biggest naval base in the Port Sudan.
This is the fourth straight day of
This is the fourth straight day of
attacks on the
attacks on the army-backed government.
Yesterday, drones hit Port Sudan.
Yesterday, drone hits Port Sudan's
power station and main port, and the country is large.
And the main port and the country is
functioning international
last functioning international report.
Sri Lanka's leftist government wins the local
Sri Lanka lifts government wins the local leftist government wins the local
election, but with
council election, but wins significantly
lower margins.
Significantly lower margins.
Was the first test for President.
This was the first test for President Anura
Kumara Dissanayake.
Collection which swept the nationals polls last year.
The president had turned the local election into a referendum.
The president turned the local election into a referendum
on a 6-month
referendum on 6-month
administration. Catholic cardinals to begin
casting their votes for a new
Pope. 133
cardinal electors are taking part in the largest
conclave to pick Pope Francis' successor. There is no clear front runner. Pontiff will have to secure at least.
The next pontiff will have to secure at least
89 votes. And Rohit Sharma announces retirement from Test.
And Rohit Sharma announced the retirement from the Test match
cricket with immediate effect.
From the Test cricket with immediate effect.
38-year-old has been.
The 38 years old have been
one of India's most prolific.
One of the most prolific Test batters.
Captained India to the World Test Championship final against
Championship against
Australia in 2023. Rohit Sharma is likely to remain as
India's
one-day international captain.
one-day international captain.
ये मस्जिद मस्जिद तहवार मरकज उमर कराने का
Nine targets in 25 minutes. India has
9
avenged
targets in 29 minutes.
Pahalgam.
India has avenged Pahalgam.
Less than 24 hours ago,
Less than 24 hours ago,
India launched Operation Sindoor,
India launched Operation Sindhur
and it struck terrorist camps run by Pakistan.
and it struck terrorist camp run by Pakistan.
We've been tracking the updates for you through
We have been tracking the updates for you through
day to day. There is no
the day today. There is
doubt that Operation Sindoor
no doubt that Operation Sindhur
was a success.
was a success.
It was India's way of delivering justice to the
It is the India's way of delivering justice
victims of Pahalgam.
of victims of Pahalgam.
2 weeks back,
2 weeks back,
Pakistani terrorists attacked
Pakistani terrorists attacked
Kashmir. They killed 20
Kashmir. Terrorists attacked Kashmir. They killed 26
innocent civilians.
innocent civilians.
India called the attack barbaric
India called the attack barbaric
and held Pakistan responsible for it.
and held Pakistan responsible for it.
This attack in Pahalgam took place on the
This attack in Pahalgam took place on the
22nd of April.
22nd of April.
Since then, there's been suspense and
Since then, there's been suspense and
speculation about India's
speculation about India's
response. Today, it
response. Today,
was all laid to rest.
today is all laid to rest.
India hit back with Operation Sindoor. It
India hit back with Operation Sindhur.
lasted for about 25
It lasted for about 25
minutes. It began
minutes. It began
at 1:05 a.m.
1:05 a.m.
in the morning,
in the morning,
ended at 1:30 a.m.
ended at 1:30 a.m.
A total of 9 targets were hit. 5
A total of 9 targets were hit. 5
in Pakistan occupied
in Pakistan occupied
Kashmir
Kashmir.
and 4 deep
4 deep inside
inside Pakistani territory.
and deep inside the Pakistani territory.
And every one of them, every target was targeted
Every target was tied
to a terrorist group.
to a terrorist group.
Earlier this morning, as you would be aware, India exercised its right to respond and preempt as well as deter more such cross-border attacks. These actions were measured, non-escalatory, proportionate, and responsible. They focused on dismantling the terrorist infrastructure and disabling terrorists likely to be sent across to India.
India
Bye.